Welcome back to Autoland, where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles hitting the roads. If you're a fan of adventure, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, then today's video is definitely for you. We're diving deep into the world of motorhomes, but not just any motorhome, the all-new Volvo Moto Home 2026. Volvo has always been known for its commitment to safety, innovation, and sustainability, and now they're taking that expertise to the world of motorhomes. So, buckle up as we explore everything this incredible machine has to offer, from its futuristic design to its high-tech features and eco-friendly engineering. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now let's get started. The Volvo Moto Home 2026 is not just a vehicle, it's an experience. Designed for both comfort and adventure, this motorhome seamlessly blends Volvo's Scandinavian minimalism with state-of-the-art engineering. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek and aerodynamic design. Unlike traditional bulky motorhomes, Volvo has crafted a streamlined body that enhances fuel efficiency while maintaining a stylish appearance. The front fascia carries Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights, giving it a bold and modern look. The large panoramic windshield not only improves visibility, but also allows natural light to flood the cabin, creating a spacious and open atmosphere. Let's talk interior. Step inside, and you're immediately welcomed by a luxurious and thoughtfully designed interior. Volvo has gone above and beyond to ensure that the 2026 motorhome feels like a true home on wheels. The cabin features premium materials such as sustainable wood, soft-touch surfaces, and high-quality textiles, all sourced with sustainability in mind. The layout is designed to maximize space without feeling cramped, offering a perfect balance between coziness and functionality. The living area is equipped with modular furniture, allowing you to customize the space based on your needs. The seating area can be transformed into a workspace, dining area, or additional sleeping quarters, making it perfect for both short trips and long-term travel. One of the standout features of the Volvo Moto Home 2026 is its advanced smart home integration. With a touch of a button or a simple voice command, you can control lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems. The motorhome is equipped with Volvo's latest infotainment system, featuring a massive touchscreen display with seamless connectivity. Whether you want to stream your favorite shows, navigate through different terrains, or monitor your energy consumption, everything is easily accessible. Speaking of energy, Volvo has taken a revolutionary step by incorporating solar panels on the roof. These high-efficiency panels can generate enough power to keep the motorhome running off-grid for extended periods, making it ideal for eco-conscious travelers. The kitchen in the Volvo Moto Home 2026 is nothing short of impressive. Unlike traditional motorhome kitchens that feel cramped and outdated, this one is designed with modern appliances and smart storage solutions. It comes with an induction cooktop, a high-tech refrigerator that adjusts temperatures based on your stored items, and a built-in coffee machine for those early morning adventures. The countertops are made from recycled materials, reinforcing Volvo's commitment to sustainability. Every inch of the kitchen is designed to provide a seamless cooking experience, ensuring that you never have to compromise on quality meals while on the road. Moving to the sleeping quarters, comfort is the top priority. The Volvo Moto Home 2026 features a spacious master bedroom with a premium memory foam mattress, adjustable lighting, and plenty of storage. The large windows provide breathtaking views of your surroundings, allowing you to wake up to nature's beauty. For families or additional guests, there are innovative bunk bed options that fold away when not in use, maximizing space during the day. The bedroom also includes a state-of-the-art sound system, ensuring that you can relax with your favorite music or white noise after a long day of traveling. Now let's talk about the bathroom. Many motorhomes compromise on bathroom space, but not this one. Volvo has designed a full-size bathroom with a rain shower, a smart toilet with self-cleaning technology, and a vanity with ample storage. The water filtration system ensures that you always have access to clean and safe water, no matter where your journey takes you. The use of eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient appliances makes the bathroom both luxurious and sustainable. Of course, no motorhome would be complete without discussing its driving capabilities. The Volvo Moto Home 2026 is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, combining a powerful yet efficient engine with an advanced battery system. This setup allows for extended travel distances while reducing carbon emissions. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stability and control on all types of terrain, making it perfect for both highway cruising and off-road adventures. The regenerative braking system helps recharge the battery while driving, further enhancing its efficiency. Safety has always been a core value for Volvo, and this motorhome is no exception. It comes equipped with an array of driver assist technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced collision avoidance system. The AI-powered autopilot mode allows for semi-autonomous driving, making long trips more relaxing and stress-free. Additionally, the 360-degree camera system provides a clear view of your surroundings, ensuring safe maneuvering in tight spaces. For those who love outdoor adventures, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 has some incredible add-ons. It includes an automatic retractable awning, an outdoor kitchen setup, and a built-in bike rack. The smart storage compartments allow you to carry all your gear from camping essentials to sporting equipment. There's even an optional rooftop deck that provides the perfect spot for stargazing or enjoying a sunset with a view. As we look toward the future, it's clear that the Volvo Motorhome 2026 is setting a new standard for travel. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the experience along the way. With its combination of luxury, technology, and sustainability, this motorhome is designed for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple seeking adventure, or a family looking to create unforgettable memories, the Volvo Motorhome 2026 offers something for everyone. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Volvo Motorhome 2026. What do you think of this innovative motorhome? Would you take it on your next road trip? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Make sure to subscribe to Overlanding and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.